Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. Cars Direct proclaims the GLE's beautifully crafted interior leaves you wanting for nothing. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,